Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a delicious recipe of Thai fried rice. Quick, easy, simple recipe. Let's start the recipe. Adding vegetable oil, medium heat. Adding chopped onion, chopped bell pepper. Add broccoli. Saute for few minutes medium heat. I love fried rice anytime. That's my favorite dish. Add chopped garlic. Mix nicely. Medium heat. You can put any vegetable in this recipe. This is the best things about this recipe. It's ready in few minutes. 1 cup of mixed vegetable. Mix nicely. Our vegetable almost cooked. Now we adding some sauce. Hot chili sauce. Soya sauce. Stir fry sauce. Cook for few seconds. High flame. Adding boiled rice. Mix it nicely, high flame for few seconds until the rice all vegetable mixed together. Add salt to taste. Our Thai fried rice is ready to serve.